guys, and welcome back to today's video. So today I'm going to be sharing with you my favourite skincare products for I would say for the past 2 months. I've only really tried these products recently and I was sent them about a year ago. But yeah, I've only just tried them and I'm absolutely loving them. I get lots of comments about my skin. For me, I feel like I really need to work on my skin. I've got a lot of like dark spots and scarring and just a lot of acne and stuff. So, but anyway, you guys asked me what I do, so I'm going to show you. So these are some products that have been really working well for me. The first one is by Biore, and this is the Rose Quartz and Charcoal Purifying Cleanser. Now this one is for oily skin. So I think I'm oily combo because most of the time I've got dry skin, but then a lot of the time I've got oily skin. It's kind of weird. I get quite oily around this area, but then around my eyebrows and around sort of these areas here I get very, very dry. So this has worked really, really well for me. This is really good for cleaning your pores out, and apparently it de-stresses as well. So I've been using this for about 2 weeks now. And I've been really loving it. It's gorgeous as well. It's so nice. And this one has got, so let me have a look. Rose quartz, a natural crystal, is known as the stone that radiates self-love and care. Now I'm a big believer in crystals, so I love this. So make sure you try it. The next products are all from Pixi. Now you know that I like Pixi. I get sent lots of PR from Pixi. I'm very lucky, and I really appreciate you guys sending me stuff. But these products I've had for a long time, but I've just kind of only really used them, if that makes sense. So the first thing I do after that is I'll go in with my Glow Tonic. So I have got a big bottle of this, a small bottle and another small bottle. I just love this stuff, it's so good. This is the Glow Tonic. It has 5% glycolic acid and it's an exfoliating toner. So this is really, really good. I feel like it kind of illuminates my skin. So once I've cleansed and I put my toner on, it makes my skin really sort of flawless and glowy, and I just absolutely love this. So if you haven't tried this, I would definitely recommend trying it. And all these products I'm showing you guys are really, really affordable as well. There's these two here. Now I like them both. I probably use this one because I'm a bit more on the lazy side. I am a mum, so you know, I've got a baby and I like to do things quick. So this is the Pixi On The Glow Moisture Stick. So I've used this a lot, and basically you twist it up and it's just like a moisturizer. So you literally just like whack it across your face and it's just so easy and it's so nice. I'm gonna film a pamper evening with you guys, maybe a couple pamper evening and just on by myself as well. And I think you are really gonna enjoy it. So this here you can actually use on your face, your lips, your body and your hair. So it's really good. And then this is the Glow Mist. As you can see, I've used a lot of this. This is in their recent PR package they sent me, and oh, it's just amazing. It's so good. I use it to prime my face in the morning. I use it to set my makeup, and I use it as just like a normal spritz, and I use it just basically whenever I'm warm and I just want to kind of cool myself down. I'll show you guys. It's such a fine mist, but it also makes it glowy. So I'll just see if you can see. It's a really, really fine mist. It doesn't like make your face wet. It dries down really, really nice and quickly. And this one is enriched with 21 natural oils, aloe vera, fruit extracts. So before makeup, it hydrates, protects and nourishes. After makeup sets, adds a dewy finish. And anytime you refresh yourself or hydrate or just adding glow, it's just really, really good. So you definitely need to check this out. And then another moisturizer, if I don't use that one on the stick, I'll use the vitamin C lotion. So this is a brightening moisturizer. And again, it's really good. All of these vitamin C ones are really, really good for brightening your skin. So this is a skin brightening moisture lotion. It promotes healthy collagen production and is known to boost skin luminosity. So I don't use this much. I use this kind of once every 2 weeks, and I really love this. And then this one here is the vitamin C caviar balm, and this is a little bit more interesting. This is actually a mask, but you massage it onto your face and you let it absorb. So it's a leave-on mask. So basically it's like a face mask, but you leave it on. So it's for lazy people. It's really good. So they're kind of my products that I use for my skin. I would say as well, the main tip to keep in, you know, a really good healthy complexion is probably less makeup. I mean, since I've become a, sorry you guys, she's in the background. Since I've become a mum, I've tried to wear a less makeup because 1, I don't have the time. 2, I don't want it rubbing on her when I'm cuddling her and playing with her. 3, it just goes really oily and stuff during the day because I'm just so busy running about and stuff. And 4, I just want to look after my skin and try and reduce how much makeup I wear. So if you followed my channel for a while, you know that I used to wear lashes and a lot of blusher and lipsticks and stuff, and now I just kind of stick with that natural, you know, how my face is just normally. But my biggest tip is drink water. That is the main thing to keep your skin well, healthy and plump, is just to drink lots of water. Yeah, and sorry I look so tired. I actually don't know why I'm looking so tired. I think it's because Snugs our cat was crying and meowing all night at the door, and it just kept us all awake. So sorry I look so tired. It's probably not the best to look when I'm doing a skincare video, but yeah, I really hope you guys enjoyed. Please make sure to subscribe if you are new, and if you are, I hope you enjoyed your first video, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.